Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of little felt shoes which were designed to fit dolls with feet that are approximately 30 millimeters long and 10 millimeters wide, or 3 centimeters by 1 centimeter. These felt shoes were specifically designed to fit my Judy Littlechap doll. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Cut 2 soles and 2 upper shoe parts using felt. Align the sole's notch with the upper's notch, just like you see me doing here. So there's the sole in my right hand, the upper in my left. Whip stitch from the notch to the back of the shoe. So I'm showing a fast motion of me doing a whip stitch, attaching the sole to the upper. There will be a slight amount of leftover felt right at the back of your shoe, and that's actually what you want. Starting again at the notch, whip stitch from the notch to the back of the shoe on the other side. And that's what I'm doing here. You can see I'm just doing a little whip stitch. Pinch together the overlap at the back of the shoe and back stitch to close the overlapping area. So here I am back stitching that heel area of the shoe right at the back of the shoe. If you need help with the back stitch, I have a tutorial for that. In this image, my thumb is where the notch is. Now invert the shoe. I like to use a chopstick to help me when I'm inverting little tiny pieces like this, but be very careful not to poke through the felt. So here I am inverting the shoe, and once I have it mostly inverted, then I gently poke with my chopstick. Now you're ready to try the shoe on your doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
But don't worry, you don't have to be really good at math to learn how to take a pattern you already own and make adjustments to that pattern so it will fit a different doll. And that's just one feature of pattern alterations. In my class, you'll also learn how to shorten and lengthen a pair of pants, and how to turn a pair of pants into shorts, or how to widen them at the waist, and even how to lengthen the inseam for taller dolls. We'll also learn how to adjust a skirt, making skirts that are more full or less full for a totally different look, and I'll show you how to create a gusset for a dress bodice, and how to design your own waistband for a skirt based on your doll's measurements. I'll walk you through the steps to several different pattern alterations, teaching you how to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and how to make felt prototypes before you finalize your pattern. Regardless of the size or shape of the doll you enjoy sewing for, altering your patterns will help you turn your creative ideas for making original doll clothes into a variety of patterns for making shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, and dresses.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.